Hey guys, my name is Xenia and you're watching DC Martini. Today we have with us the man who's going to have a very special role in Special Ops 1.5. In fact, अगर कहा जाए तो हिम्मत और इनका कैरेक्टर एक ही सिक्के के दो पहलू है. Am I right?
That's absolutely correct, Xenia. You got it absolutely right. And thank you so much. And hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. Adil, how are you?
I'm very happy. I'm totally excited. This Diwali has been a total dhamaka for all of us. And we are just waiting in a couple of days, 2-3 days now. And then 12th of November, Special Ops 1.5 comes on Disney Plus Hotstar. And just very excited about that.
Also the role that you are playing, because you know आपको टक्कर सीधा हिम्मत से ही लेना होगा. You are here and you would be like just as fierce, just as smart, just as intelligent and as Himmat, but in a very different way. When you were offered this role, what was your reaction?
No, I was like completely, I went bonkers. I was so happy because, I saw Special Ops 1 during the lockdown. At that time, I had no idea that, eventually I'll become a part of this universe. And then I was a fan. I remember talking about it on social media also, the way the entire show was made and, Neeraj sir and his writing and the plot and the scale and everything. I was a total fan of that series. And later on, when I got a call and Neeraj sir wanted to meet me for this part. So before I even discussed the part, before I even got to know what part it is, I knew that I am going to be doing it. And then I was absolutely right. I have that much of faith and confidence in Neeraj sir because he's just too good with the characters that he creates, the storyline that he creates, the story that he writes. And then when I got the narration and when I got to know about Maninder, I was like, yaar, ye to har actor ka dream role hai, yaar, ye to karna hi. So it's fantastic.
Obviously, also when you are working with someone like Neeraj Pandey, then someone like KK Menon, it's intense. As viewers, as audience, we can only think the environment on the sets would be so intense because there would be so much going on, and also the kind of series that Special Ops is. It's very intense, But how was your prep? Because we saw so many pictures of you bulking up, hitting the gym. How was this entire experience of preparation?
The lot of pictures that you're talking about happened post the shoot. Abhi to uske baad I'm preparing for other things also. To uske liye I'm bulking up and all. But you were talking about intensity in terms of work and everything. So yes, definitely intense, but in a very fun way, So what I like about Neeraj sir is that he takes his work very, very sincerely and he would not compromise with quality at all. He's that person who knows very well what he wants and exactly how he wants it. But at the same time, he has a very chilled out approach towards how to, make work happen. Okay. So entire preparation is something that would happen before we go on sets. Anything that an actor needs to prepare or, the crew needs to prepare, the art, the direction team, the camera team, everything happens before we go on sets. When we go on sets, we just go and just look forward to getting good work done. So it was not heavily intense. It was, yes, we are sincerely involved in doing a fantastic project, but in a very light, fun way, Okay. He's a chilled out director.
But given your career trajectory, working with someone like Vidhu Vinod Chopra, then working with someone like Neeraj Pandey, that's fantastic. If I ask you, how do you feel, you would just say that this is something like, dreams are made of, up of, obviously.
Yeah. But, absolutely.
Yeah. So when...
finish.
When you have, set the bar this high, because your performance as Shiv was very good and it was lauded by so many critics, by the audiences. When you start on a very high note, there's always a baggage that comes to you, that you have to live up to what you have created. Did this baggage at any point in time during Special Ops 1.5 affect you?
No, it didn't affect me, but Xenia, I would like to say that, you're the first one to bring this point across. I mean, nobody has spoken to me about this yet, but no, it did not affect me at all. I took it as a challenge and this is eventually what I wanted. out of my career. And I came prepared for that. And this is, getting launched by Mr. Vidhu Vinod Chopra is a dream launch for any actor. And then, carrying that forward, working with somebody like a Neeraj Pandey is again living a dream. So life's been good. It's my mother, father's blessings, and God's been kind. So things like this is happening. But yes, you're right in a way that, when you enter working with such people, so then you only have to look in either the same exact vision or above that. And I don't know what is above that, but even looking at the same exact vision, you have to be very selective about the work that you'd be doing. You'd have to be very smart in understanding what kind of roles you want to grab and continue working on those tracks. So yes, it is kind of challenging, but isn't that also great? I mean, who would not want to be in this space as an actor?
Of course. I mean, given the kind of work that you're getting, given the kind of directors you're working with, we as audience only want to see you go much higher and give us a lot more. If I may say so. But also, there's this fact that to reach this kind of point, there's also a lot of rejections that you would face. Also, a lot of rejections, a lot of no's that you would have to say. Have you ever been in a position where you were approached with some kind of work, but you had to give it a pass because you didn't like it? Were you like taken as arrogant, or were there any negative word being spread about you in the industry because of this?
No, Alhamdulillah, so far there has not been a negative word which has been spread or anything. Probably I don't give reasons also like that. I'm very sincere about my work. I take this work very, very personally. I love to be an actor. And I also like to believe that I'm a very hardworking man. I'll do anything to get my job done on sets. So that's the approach that I take. And I somehow believe, and that's what my father also says, that it's all, whatever industry you belong to, it's always good work that attracts good work. So my focus is always on making sure that the work that I'm doing at this current moment of time, I end up giving my best to it, and then I'll leave it to destiny. And generally it turns out to be good only. When you're giving 100% to something, ऊपर वाला फिर आपको उसका दे देता है फल.
Of course. Also ये भी
or
होता
flower
है.
that ways.
हाँ, ये होता है ना कि आप जब एक मतलब point तक, when you are searching for some work that will that will give you that creative fulfillment as an actor, उस रास्ते में आपको काफी बार ना बोलना पड़ता है. And those are also the point where you have the most actors that I have talked to, they say they have this fear of not being relevant anymore. कि कुछ दिनों बाद अगर मैं ना बोलता जाऊं तो कुछ दिनों बाद काम ही आना बंद हो जाएगा. Have you faced that kind of a dilemma ever?
यार so far काम ही आना बंद हो जाएगा वाले जोन में तो मैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अभी तक नहीं पहुंचा हूँ. So far that has not been a challenge for me. Life's been good. But yeah, I mean, as actors and belonging to this industry, we will need to be sure about the decisions that we are making, because at the end of the day, our journey is decided on the basis of what we choose and what we don't. So, and every actor has a different plan that they have for themselves. Every actor has a path that they decide to choose for and make their own journey. So yes, I have said no for certain projects and everything, but it doesn't come to me as a fear of not getting work in future, because I know that this is not something that I would want it to be a part of in any way.
आपने पहले ही कहा था that you are prepping for something else for which you are bulking up. Before we go and talk more about Maninder, I would also like to know about that a bit.
Baba, every project they have these plans that they make. कि अभी बात नहीं करनी है इसके बारे में, अब बात करेंगे. Now we'll talk about it. Now we can't. Right now we can't talk about it. So then, we respectfully understanding the expectations that the makers generally have from us. So I'd not be able to talk much about it. But yeah, life is good. God's been kind. I'm keeping myself busy, so it's nice.
I mean, this is so positive talking to you because the phrase that you use the most is that life's good and God's being kind, and that's so beautiful to hear. Because जितना pressure आप लोग deal करते हो with acting, then back-to-back interviews, then promotions and everything. This is a zone that I mean, the way you are talking and the way you are opening up about the project, it feels so great.
Thank you so much, Zenia. Again, I would like to quote my father. He once told me that भागता घोड़ा और बहता पानी अपना रास्ता खुद बना लेता है. So when you have the will in you, generally, you don't need to worry about the hurdles or the obstructions coming your way. Nobody said life would be easy. It always comes with challenges, but there is no fun without the challenges as well. So, it's the more you take it positively and healthy, the better your life shapes up to be. That's what I believe in.
Wow. Special Ops 1.5, you are playing Maninder. Like we said, this wasn't that kind of intense like we had been thinking, but it was pretty intense while you guys were filming it. So could you, without maybe revealing much or giving out any spoilers, could you tell us what was the most intense part or most difficult, most challenging part for you to shoot?
Yes, challenging. So I explored action for the first time when I was doing Maninder, and post that I fell in love with it. I've got a punching bag hanging on my terrace, and so that would tell you how much of an action guy suddenly I've become post shooting Special Ops 1.5. So all this training and everything, because I didn't know whether I'd be able to pull off action as an actor or no. So I was exploring it for the first time. Though Neeraj sir and these guys had this belief in me, and then I went with it because I was thinking like, यार इतना experience लोग अगर believe कर रहे हैं तो कुछ तो हो गई. तो फिर with that belief I jumped in, and that was challenging, definitely. Learning actions, and that requires a lot of reactions, and it's a choreography, and it involves a lot of practice and everything. It requires you to be physically strong and fit and agile and things like that. So getting into that process was challenging, but it was so much fun. Like I loved every bit of it.
From the trailer itself. Yes, from the trailer itself, when we saw you, it was just sudden, but it was so good to see because there were two like very able competitors locking horns. So, that's something that we are looking forward to, even when the trailer released that time. Also, if you could describe Maninder in just one word, what would it be?
He's a badass.
Oh, wow.
If I can say that.
Also, is this
like word?
This is a negative character, and also, how did you get into the zone of getting into that badass negative character?
Maybe I am also somewhat like that.
Oh.
So actually, I'll tell you. So, actors, I don't know about in general, but I think that as an actor, I need to understand my character, okay? I need to make sense of why is he like this, what is going on, and why is he behaving in a certain way. As an individual, I might not agree to it, and I might not incorporate that in my personal life. But to give the human value to my character, I need to completely understand why is he behaving in a certain manner, what is going on with him. And the moment that makes sense to you, then as an actor, you're able to put your human values into it. And that's what I've tried doing with Maninder.
Wow. So thank you so much, Adil, for joining the Desi Martini. It's just like few days left before the release of Special Ops 1.5. And we are so looking forward to it, let us tell you. It's just the entire team, entire team at Desi Martini is looking forward to watching it.
Thank you. Give my regards to everyone at Desi Martini, and thank you so much, Zenia.
Thank you so much. It was lovely chatting with you. Thank you, Adil.
Same, Baba. Same.
Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Yeah. Bye.